Hello everyone. In our last video, we had discussed some basic concept related to the chapter lines and angles. After that, we had discussed about the related angles that are 5 in numbers. So now in this video, we are going to start our exercise 5.1 of this chapter. And first question of exercise 5.1 is: find the complement of each of the following angles, and three angles are given in this question. So first we have to know about the complement. That as I discussed in my previous video, that complement means how much we add to the given angle so that their sum become 90 degree. As you can see here that in first part given angle is 20 degree, and we have to add here some angle that their sum become 90 degree. So 20 degree plus dash is equal to 90 degree. For this we have to subtract 20 degree from the 90 degree. So we have 90 minus 20 and our answer is 70 degree. So we can say that a complement of 20 degree is 70 degree. In the same way, we can find out the complement of angle 60 degree. In the similar manner, for this we subtract 63 degree from 90 degree. So we write 90 minus 63 here, and we have 10 minus 3 is 7, and 7 minus 6, 8 minus 6 is 2. So complement of 63 degree is 27 degree. Now we have third part with us, and in this part given angle is 57 degree and we have to find its complement. So we apply same method for finding its complement. For this we subtract 57 from 90 degree. So we have 10 minus 7 is 3, and 8 minus 5 is also 3. So complement of 57 degree is 33 degree. To our second question, and our second question is: find the supplement of each of the following angle. Supplement means how much we add to the given angle so that their sum become 180 degree. For this we subtract given angle from 180 degree, and in our first part given angle is 105 degree and we have to find its supplement. For this we subtract 105 degree from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 105, 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7, 1 minus 1 is 0. So our supplement of 105 degree is 75 degree. In this way, you can solve rest two part of this question by yourself. Now move to our third question, and our third question is: identify which of the following pair of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. As I discussed in my last video, that complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree, whereas the supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. So for identify that which angle is complementary or which angle is supplementary, we have to add the pair of angle, and first pair with us is 65 and 115 degree. So we are going to add these two angle, and we have their sum is 5 5 10, carries 1 6 1 7 1 8, and 180 degree. So sum of the first pair is 180 degree. So this pair is pair of supplementary angle. Now move to our second part. In second part, given pair is 63 degree and 27 degree. So let's check their sum. 63 plus 27 3 plus 7 is 10, carry is 1, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, 9. So their sum is 90 degree. So we can say that our second pair is a complementary angle. In this way you can check rest of its part. Now move to our fourth question. Our fourth question is find the angle which is equal to its complement. For solving fourth question, first we assume that our angle measurement of our angle bx. Now according to the question that complement is equal to its angle, so complement of this angle is also of x degree. As we all know that sum of complementary angle is 90 degrees, so we have x plus x is equal to 90 degree. 2x is equal to 90 degree, x is equal to 90 divided by 2, and we have value of x is 45 degree. And we have to write reason in front of the first line where we write x plus x is equal to 90 degree, and its reason is they are complementary angle, so their sum is 90 degree. Now move to our fifth question, and our fifth question is find the angle which is equal to its supplement. You can solve this question the same manner that I did question number 4. So first we are going to assume that our angle be x degree. So first we assume here that measurement of our angle is x degree. Now according to the question its supplement is equal to its angle, so measurement of supplement is also x degree. As we all know that sum of supplementary angle is 180 degrees, so we write here x plus x is equal to 180 degree, and its reason is they both are supplementary angle. In the next line we write x plus x means 2x is equal to 180 degree. Now shift 2 from the left side to the right side, and we have 90 degree as the value of x. Now move to our sixth question, and sixth question is in the given figure angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angle. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Here you can see that both the angles make a linear pair, or you can say they both make a supplementary angle. Now if you decrease angle 1, then measurement of angle 2 will be increases. So what changes take place in angle 2? So we can write here, if angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 is increased, so that both the angles still remain supplementary angles. Now next question is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angle, both of them are obtuse angle, both of them are right angle? So if two angles are acute angle, their sum cannot be equal to 100 degree. Similarly, if two angles are obtuse angle, their sum is exceed than 180 degree. But when two angles are right angles, so definitely their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So right option is part C. Two angles be supplementary if both of them are right angle. Move to our next question, and next question is, an angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45? So if measurement of an angle is greater than 45, then its complementary angle is definitely less than 45. So its correct answer is less than 45 degree.